Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to move the taskbar to left side Windows 11. To begin, we will right-click on the taskbar to select the taskbar settings option. Now click on taskbar behaviors. Finally, in taskbar alignment, click on the drop-down field and select left. You will see the taskbar in that position. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.